I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed in and have the name tag asset ready in inventory. Open the avatar editor now and locate the slot where accessories attach. Once located, import the name tag file if it's not present. Use PNG or SVG for crisp edges. Make sure developer mode is enabled when the interface requires it, because that exposes advanced placement controls. After importing, save a duplicate avatar profile so you can revert if positioning needs fine-tuning later. Next, attach the name tag to the correct bone or accessory mount, usually chest or collar, using the Attach tool. You'll adjust X, Y, and Z coordinates plus rotation and scale, nudge in 0. 1 increment so the tag sits naturally and doesn't clip. Once positioned, tweak visibility and collision settings so it doesn't block animations, and set render layer order to keep it in front of clothing. Make sure to preview in multiple poses and camera angles to confirm consistent placement across actions. To finish, save your avatar and immediately test in the live preview and a real in-game session so you see it under gameplay conditions. If the tag clips through clothing or models, reduce scale or adjust depth in 0. 1 to 0. 5 unit steps and retest. If textures appear distorted, re-import the asset at correct resolution or revert to the backup profile you made earlier. This restores a working baseline. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache and relaunch the client if changes don't appear. Session caching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.